Hey guys, I received this pack today. I'm so happy. The Puneda Camping Refrigerator is your best option for parties or camping. Its function is dual cooling and heating capacity of 30 can, 11 inside and 2 outside contain. A 12-volt cord cable and 110-volt domestic cable. The cable it is completed. Metal, durable, and safe goods. Quality is design. It's quick, a simple, easy. You can take it anywhere with installing and equipping it. Shoulder strapless plastic. It's small, perfect sided for the car, excellent for road trips. Look for the home. Volt car cable. Look.